No, I can't. I can't turn around when I'm doing this. But look at that. I mean, I could turn around, don't get me wrong. You see? Yeah. Alright. Bring a small backpack this time. That way, this and that, You're not gonna carry anything in your fucking hands. Why do I want sticks? Because I do, okay? Damn. Look at these sticks. They're cool, bro. Look, this one already comes it's pre-holy. It's a holy stick. I'll rot to then. Oh, man. Look at this. So glad I wear pants today at least. You know what I mean? If not, I'd be having a lot of other things going up things that no more leeches, mommy. I'm not saying I had leeches. I'm not saying I didn't. Oh, mira. Mira que bonita. Look at that. Looks like a death row. Shall we go? Yes. Pero ¿por qué no? ¿Por qué no? Porque sí. Oh, bro. Look at that. Be free. I made a wish. Do you know what my wish was? No, because it was in my head. Unless you read minds. I think a couple of you do, huh? Stay out my head, man. What's up, Pooty? Kind of. Sort of. There's only a few people that are out of my head, okay? There's only one person out of my head. Okay, 2 people. Okay, one's not a person. But whatever. God, what do you like to be called? A numeral? A binumeral? There's a joke. I was kidding. LOL. Haha, hee hee. Please don't make it rain on me. I'm just saying. My pants are already falling as is. We're gonna have a catastrophe soon. Or party, who knows? Might be a bit of both. Oh, I do declare, Mr. Baudelaire. Well, death row wasn't as fun as I thought it would be, but it led out to this. Guess what that is? A fucking street. La da dee, da da da, bumpity. Oh, great! I'm fenced in now. On the cool. Where the hell am I? Damn. All right, let me see. That's the opening to the community. Okay. So I'm right back on South Cross. Let me pick up my pants so I don't look like a hoodlum. There you go. Now they're like a sophisticated tree hugger. That's how I roll, bro. That's how I roll. Well, that's how I trot, I guess. Tiptoe, step lively. Here we go. Alright, well this was mini scenes from South Cross and Pecan Valley. You're fucking welcome. Congratulations. You've seen some part of nature. Oh, what's this? You know, if I probably went the other fucking direction, I probably would have been led to the water. It's alright though. Because look, there's another option. Ah, God provides with more. You know what? I came here for a reason. Fuck it. On the cool. Look at all the rocks. Hello, rocks. Hello, sky. Hello, other fucking. Hello, streets. Hello, car. Hello, other car. Hello, other vehicle. Think and Sierra. I thought it. What does it do now? Good day. Would you like to say good day, good morning to everybody? We'll say hello. And you'd be like, oh my god, you're recording me. I didn't sign a waiver. I'm gonna be like, oh my god, no one cares anyways. Like, seriously. How do I say you're not important in the nicest way possible? Hey. Come on now. Come, dog. Come. Step lively. Alright, this is your next test. It's following and stay in the... Where the fuck are you? Okay, there you are. Stay in the grass area. No street, okay? No. Sí, no, okay? Okay, no es stupid. Minnie, are you having a good time, darling? She's just following me. Hut. Follow the leader. If I look down, they aren't there. If I look down, they aren't there. They're still there, darling. They're still there. Alright, stay tuned, I guess.